Raise your fins if you do, and I'll try to find you. Oh, sweet. There's a lot of questions here. Let's talk to the dude right over on this side wearing a white shell. Hey, Mini Man, what's your name?
Mason.
Mini Mason, what's your question, dude?
Why, your home goes really fast?
Why does what go really fast?
Your home.
My hoe. Oh, my shell. Oh, righteous, dude.
With,
What?
like, all your turtles.
Oh, why do all the turtles go really fast? You're talking about when we're totally ripping, rolling, and punching on the EAC?
Yeah.
Oh, righteous, dude. That's a good question, dude. Because there's what we call currents all over the ocean, dudes, and they really can't be seen too well. But, dude, there's parts of the ocean that go really fast, faster than the rest of the ocean. They're caused by different temperature changes and the rotation of the Earth, dude. That's what causes the currents to go all around the ocean. They collide into the continents, and then they totally go north, east, west, south, all over the place. They're the ways that you can go fastest from one point in the ocean to the other, dude. Do you ever go swimming, dude?
Yes.
Righteous. Well, what do you wear in the water, Mason?
Excuse me? I didn't hear you.
Do you wear the same thing you're wearing now when you go into the water, or something else?
Something else.
Oh, what do you wear?
Like, bathing suit or something like that.
Oh, dude, Squirt said this is called a bathing suit, Mason. Check it out. This is what Mason wears. That's awesome, Mason. That's what you wear, right, dude?
No. That's like a lady one.
For ladies?
Yeah.
I didn't know that, dude. Oh. Hey, Mason, dude, can I ask you a personal question?
Yes.
Does this make me look fat?
No.
No?
Yes.
Thanks, Minnie, man. Hey, so you know, Mason, when you get older, you'll find that's always the correct answer to that question.